Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to apply a reflection effect on your pictures or images on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to apply a reflection effect on your image on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile, just going to show. So first of all, I just want to insert a picture. So just clicking on this insert option, just going inside the picture and selecting a photo from my mobile phone. So now I just click on the done option. I just inserted the image first and just resizing it and make it on the center. So now if you're just clicking the image, you can find the picture tools on the bottom, and here you just need to click on the picture effect. And here you just need to click on the reflection. Click on this, and now you will have a reflection variation. So if you just need it on the bottom reflection like this, or it should be a full reflection, or it should be a reflection with some shadows on that, and reflection with some closed shadows like this. You can just change everything. You have a bottom half reflection like that. If you just don't want any reflection, click on the no reflection option. So this is how you just add a reflection effect on your image on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.